Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Tips for getting kids to drink milk. For many parents, their child not drinking milk is one of the first problems they face when trying to inculcate proper eating habits in them. As necessary as it might be to accept that your child doesn't like milk, the following methods can help him get used to drinking milk properly. How to get your child to drink milk? 1. Start by introducing dairy-based food products to your child and let him develop a taste for those. 2. Replace plain milk with various dishes such as milkshakes and smoothies so that he is enticed into drinking it due to the flavor. 3. There are some interesting straws or quirky mugs you can get your child, which will get him interested and lead him to drink the milk. 4. If it is the smell of the milk, you can counter that with a slight tweaking of the taste. Adding vanilla essence, dry fruit powder, or different mixes can make it easier for him to drink it. 5. Make it your little one's duty. Ask him to go and make a glass of milk for himself, and he will unconsciously drink it as well. 6. Try to join your child in the activity. Keep aside your cup of coffee or tea for a few days, and enjoy drinking milk with your little one. 7. Don't start by giving an entire glass of milk. Start with small quantities and focus on getting your child to finish them completely first. How to make milk tastier for your child. 1. Temperature. If you always give your child hot milk, flip it around and make a nice cold milkshake for him. 2. Pair with biscuits. Put together your kid's favorite biscuits with a glass of milk and let him dunk them in the milk and eat them. 3. Smoothies. If your child likes certain fruits, blend them with milk and create attractive smoothies that can have him gulping them down. 4. Breakfast cereal. Cornflakes of various types and flavors are a great breakfast option. Mixing them with milk and sugar can help him get the milk he needs. 5. Milk lollipops. Make your milkshakes and freeze them in different molds. Surprise your kid with a lollipop as an evening snack instead of a glass of milk. Figuring out how to get your child to drink milk can be a challenge. Find quirky, fun ways to get your child to drink milk, and you won't have to worry about any tantrums coming your way.